do you got?
It's a woman! It looks like... It's Helen!
Helen? Return signal! Yeah, open the gate!
Close the gates! Matt, keep a lookout!
Helen!
Hey! Come help me.
You're bringing it? It's good to see you alive. Where have you been?
Feast your eyes on this.
This is pure dirt. How'd you come by?
Been to dry land.
Dry land is a myth!
No, it's not a myth. I've been there. It's our salvation. We can all start new lives on dry land, but we have to hurry. The beacon and the smokers are after me.
Smokers in the distance!
Battle stations! Hey, sound the alarm! Helen, get to the tower and get on the water cannon. Hurry! Max, get up there and secure the gate. Move! Is that a seaplane? Yeah, a seaplane! Max, where is he?
Incoming from the south!
Pick it up!
Breaching the wall!
Cover it! Smokers!
He's going for the gates!
Stop him! Gunfire!
Helen! Stay down! Helen! Together! The girl! I've got the girl! Topside! Hey! Where do you think you're going? Signal the deacon!
Hi, I'm Tiger Woods. Hey, who's got that golf ball? Hold the thing up nice and high. Hold it up. The gentleman has got my golf ball. No. You might actually need these people. Back this. Thank you. Brothers and sisters! Deacon! We are not your brothers and sisters. Am I right? Shut him up! Listen, children, you poor lost souls on this floating pile of sheet metal. The provider has spoken, and he tells me personally that somebody here knows the way to dry land.
Dry land!
Dry land. We are going to pave it and drive it, tax it and tithe it. Sweet Joe above, we're going to use it, cruise it, fill it, drill it, and build an 18-hole monument to my beloved self.
You'll never find dry land, Deacon. I won't let you. And neither will the Mariner.
Hey, Mariner. Chuck, shut that gate. Are you talking about your boyfriend? Your half-man, half-fish boyfriend, the guy that poked out my eye.
Yeah! Can your boyfriend do this? Can he do this?
Probably not. Bring me the girl! The girl, right over here. Hi. May I offer you a smoke? Don't do that. Don't do that. Do you like games?
I love games.
Shut up. Let's play. Keep an eye on her. Guys, what you got up there?
We got an A-tower!
Boy.
And he's got dirt!
Good. Well, I need to know the way to dry land.
Dry land!
So the game is called The First One That Talks Lives.
Leave him alone. He doesn't know anything.
Well, that makes you the winner.
Helen! Don't tell him anything.
Oh, and this guy is the loser. Drop him. Oh! That would hurt. Listen to me. Helen, you're going to tell me where dry land is, or you will be next.
Jet ski are approaching at high speed!
Excuse me for just a moment. Shoot him, Chuck.
He's gone!
He's gone. What does that mean?
He's gone under the water!
Oh, it's him. Mariner is under the water. I need gunfire right now!
It's the music mutation!
Helen! Helen! Did I see anybody leave before the party was over? What did I say? You're dead! I hate that guy. Get that girl for me! Where you going, Kyle? He's right there. Mariner's right over here. I can see him. I've got one eye. Vernon! Mike! Listen, I'd like you to take this guy's head and rip it off of his body. Take his head off! You missed. We've got guns, he's got water, and he's kicking our butts. Well, that was hard to watch.
Well, that's because you have one eye.
I've moved. You get over here and find out what's wrong with this thing? She is getting away.
Are you alright?
I am now.
I'm all right also. What are you doing with a fish boy? He's not your kind. Actually, he doesn't have a kind. Let's fillet the flounder. Woohoo! Chubby, we have got ourselves a find me another weapon. You're really starting to annoy me. A lot. You're not gonna ruin my plans to try and land and kill that mutated freak, which is what you are. You're a freak. Guys, a freak. I need a weapon! Weapon!
Evil! How about this?
Oh. Thanks. Come on, fish boy. Let's go, me and you, man, against fish.
Mariner, no! Hey, you've got something on your face.
You have something on your back. Why is he still alive? I want this guy dead. We don't have time to get that seaplane back in here. Let him blast everything to Kingdom Come. I'll take care of that freak. I'm gonna stupid. Shut up! Duck Cudden! Sorry, my bad. I need something bigger. Ask and you shall receive. Hey, fish boy. Look what I found. Big Bertha. And I sliced it. It's been a minute. Will you do me a favor and stand in one spot? You're gonna use Chuck as a shield. I never liked Chuck.
Mariner! Mariner!
Yes! Ah, thank you. Golly gee, a single tear rolls down my cheek. Get up. Somebody signal my seaplane. Somebody. How do you like that if all of my men are dead?
Good!
Yeah, your boyfriend's dead too, in case you missed that. On the ladder. I've got a brand new vision. Pilgrimage for two to dry land. That'll be me and you, Helen. Just think of it, the two of us, savoring the sweet flavor of dry land. Woo! Why don't you just show me the way?
Okay.
Go pack, you got a plane to pack. Come on, fish boy. Let's go. Let us decide the fate of the new world. Is it on man or fish?
Mariner! I'll get the boat!
Oh, no, you won't. No, you're not going anywhere, Helen. That was a big hole in your boat. Guys! Come on! You hit my plane! Crashed my plane. Nevertheless, I've got your woman. I killed your friends. So who's gonna stop me now? You? I don't think so. Because you don't have a leg to stand on.
No!
Yes! I, Deacon of WaterWorld, celebrate the birth of a new nation. Dry land is my destiny.
Hey, Deacon!
Hey, what? Oh. I'm taking